Hey y'all, it's Nevada, and I'm gonna be showing y'all how to do some vape tricks. So, what you'll need is your vaporizer, of course, um, some soapy water, and a cardboard toilet paper roll tube. Yeah. Uh, and a bottle, like a Gatorade bottle, like the one you could twist the cap and just drink it. Yeah. But okay, so. And this is my first video, so if you could give this a big thumbs up and share it around with your friends and let them see it. So, yeah, thank you. Okay, so for your O's, you're gonna, for the spin, you're gonna wrap your lips around your teeth and just, keep a stream coming up through your throat, like a stream of air coming up through your throat, and just, pause it. I can't explain it that well, but here we go. And I'm pretty sure the most popular technique is the jaw. You just move your jaw up and down. So here's this. I can't do it that well. But yeah, there's your O's. I can't do it right now. Okay, for your Cheerios, it's just really simple. Just it's like a whistling, but without the sound. But here, I'll just show it to you. Okay, so there's your Cheerios. Basically, you're just tapping on it, I guess it's like a vacuum kinda, and it just, yeah. And you can also do that for like a medium-sized circle, so like this. So yeah, that's a simple way of doing it. I prefer the hard way. Okay, so there's your Cheerios. Okay, for your Fringe Inhale, just take a lot of vapor in, breathe a lot of it in, and then bring your jaw right below your nose, and just breathe up through your nose. Don't even do anything else with your mouth. That sounds really bad though. But here we go. So yeah, there you go. Okay, so this is where you will need your toilet paper roll and your soap. Yeah, I'm not spilling it right now, but you just need the perfect amount of soap in your water, not too little, not too much, and preferably the soap I'd use is Dawn. It's amazing for this. So yeah. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so you seen it. My toilet paper roll isn't destroyed yet, so I'll do it again. Okay. So, yeah, there's your vape bubble. Okay, so for this, all you'll need is your bottle and your lid. For these, I should say. Okay, so here's the one where you can pour it out. Okay, so see how it just a little, just that much comes out when you have it stirred up. Okay, so there's that one. And fill it up again. Put the lid on it. And you can do mini Cheerios. Like deformed Cheerios. And if you do it without the lid, it makes like medium-sized smoke rings. So yeah, I personally think the bottle one's the funnest, but yeah, so yeah. Trying to think. I know there's another one. Oh, you can freeze it and it makes when you pour it out, it makes it easier. You can freeze the bottle. So, yeah. So, I hope this video really helped you. I watched a lot of YouTube videos to help me when I first started, but I made it. I've graduated. But yeah, thank y'all for watching. Give it a big huge thumbs up and subscribe. I'll be doing more videos and really funny videos. So yeah, thank you.